Hello friends, welcome to GMG Accountancy classes. Today we are going to discuss about Illustration 3 Accounting Equation, which is very important for class 11 students. Show the accounting equation on the basis of the following. Started business with cash rupees 60,000. So you have to open a ledger, take it to new page and open in particulars column you have to write transaction, debit column you have to write cash, credit column you have to write stock, and next page debit column you write capital. Now see the first line, started business with cash. So what is the journal entry? Normally cash account data to capital account. So you write the question as it is, started business with cash. In cash write it plus 60,000, then capital write 60,000 in the same line. Then put the margin up to this, then same 60,000 write it down, so that is a total 60,000 60,000. So both assets and liabilities are equal, so each and every transaction you have to check both the assets and liabilities are equal. Now see the B, purchase goods for cash. Purchase goods for cash. So cash account data to, so what will be purchase goods for cash? So purchase to cash. So when we purchase, what comes in? Stock comes in. So stock plus 20,000 and cash goes out, so minus 20,000. So plus 20,000 minus 20,000, because stock comes in, so plus 20,000, cash goes out, so minus 20,000. Next one, sold goods for cash costing rupees 10,000 for 15,000. So 10,000 rupees of goods you sold at rupees 15,000. 10,000 का माल 15,000 में बेचा. So 10,000 rupees stock, you have to reduce this 10,000 rupees from stock, and 15,000 you received the cash, so plus 15,000. 15,000 minus 10,000, 5,000 rupees is profit. That profit you have to write in the capital as a plus sign. Next one, C, sold goods for cash. Next one, D, paid rent by cash. Whenever we are paying rent, cash and capital will be less, whether you are paying rent or salary, whatever it may be, you have to less the amount from the cash and capital. Now see the answer, paid rent by cash. In cash 500 rupees less, in capital 500 rupees less. So 40,000 plus 15,000 is 55,000 total. 20,000 minus 10,000, 10,000 total. 60,000 plus 5,000, 65,000 total. So 55,000 minus 500 is 54,500. 10,000 write it as it is, because there is nothing has to deduct or add. Then 65,000 minus 500, 64,500. So if you add assets and liabilities separately, the answer will become same. See, 54,500 plus 10,000 is 64,500. This is the asset total. Liability total is also 64,500. Understand the sum? Now next, illustration 4. Selvi is a dealer in furniture. Show the accounting equation. Whenever they mention accounting equation, you have to prepare the accounting equation. So started business with cash. So in cash and capital it is a plus. So write the answer, started business with cash in the transaction. Then first in debit column write it cash 1 lakh rupees. The next page debit column you have to write the heading capital. Under that you have to write 1 lakhs. So write the total below. Next line 1 lakh 1 lakh. Put the margin from here to last line up to credit column and write it 1 lakh as a total. Next, deposit cash. Now if you see here, next one is second point, deposit cash into bank 60,000. So you have to write the second point, deposit cash into bank. When you deposit the amount into the bank amount will be increased, so plus 60,000, and cash goes out from the business, so minus 60,000. So plus 60,000 in bank and minus 60,000 in cash. Understand? Then this total 1 lakh minus 60,000, you will get 40,000. 60,000 total as it is you have to write, and this 1 lakh total you have to write as it is. So this is the total. See, 40 plus 60, 1 lakh equal to 1 lakh. So both the side total will be same. So your answer is right. Next one, borrowed loan from the bank. Rupees 25,000. So when you borrow loan from the bank for 25,000, write the third as it is, write the question borrowed loan from the bank. When you borrow the money from the bank, then the bank will be plus and bank loan will be plus. So bank loan is a liabilities. So in the credit column, next page debit column you return the capital, and credit column you have to write bank loan. That place you write it plus 25,000. So 25,000 in bank loan and bank 25,000 plus. Understand? Next point, fourth point, bought goods and paid by check. You purchase goods, so what comes in? Goods comes in. From where the money goes out? From the bank, because you made the payment through check. How much rupees? 10,000 rupees. So 10,000 rupees reduced from the bank, and in stock plus 10,000. So now see the calculation, 40,000 here, no transaction, so straight away 40,000 you have to write in the total. 10,000 you have to write here 10,000. Here minus 10,000, so 85 minus 10, 75,000 equal to same amount you have to write here because there is no transaction in this. Next, fifth point, cash withdraw for personal use. Cash withdraw for personal use. Personal means what? For your own purpose. Rupees 5,000. So you withdraw for personal use. So you're withdrawing money 5,000 rupees from your business. So cash, you are withdrawing cash. So from the business cash is minus, and as well as capital is minus rupees 5,000. Next, see the sixth adjustment. Cash withdrawn from bank for office use 3,000 rupees. So when you withdraw from the bank amount will be less and cash will be plus. So जो आता है वो add, जो जाता है वो less. So cash increases, so it is add, and from the bank we are getting the money, so it is less. So plus 3,000 in cash, less 3,000 in bank. Now see the total, 35 plus 3, 38,000. 10,000 here, no transaction, write it 10,000 as it is. 75 minus 3, 72,000. Then 95,000 as it is, write it. Then 25,000 as it is, write it. Now see the check, the answer is right or wrong. 38 plus 10, 48,000. 48 plus 72,000. 48 plus 72,000. So 48 plus 2, 50. 50 plus 70,000, 1 lakh 20,000. Right? 38 plus 10, 48. 48 plus 72. So what you will do? 48 plus 2, 50. 50 plus 70,000, 1 lakh 20,000. See here, same amount will come. 95 plus 25. 95 plus 25 is how much? 1 lakh 20,000. So both the side total will be equal. So your answer is right. Now understand how to do the sum. Whatever comes in, you add it. Whatever goes out, you less it. Simplest thing. Accounting equation. Now we'll move on to next illustration. That is illustration 5. Now see the illustration 5. Here it has been mentioned, show the effect of the following business transaction on the accounting equation. First point is Anbu started business with cash 20,000, goods 12,000 and machine 8,000. This sum they had been asked in the half-yearly examination of 2019. So how to do this sum? Very easy sum. Cash is 20,000. So in cash you write 20,000. Then goods means stock. So 12,000 you write in stock. And machine 8,000. So you write machine 8,000. Now see the answer. I'll show you how to write this. See this. Started business with cash, stock and machine. So you invested cash 20,000, stock 12,000 and 8,000 for machinery. Add all these three items. So how much you invested? 20 plus 12 plus 8. So 40,000 you have been invested. This total 40,000 you are writing in the capital. Same way, put the line full total margin, then write the total assets. Second one is point number 2. Purchase goods from Ramani on credit, rupees 7,000. So when you purchase goods from Ramani on credit, जब तुम उधार में किसी से माल लेते हो, so that is called as credit purchase. So whenever you are doing credit purchase, the person who is giving you the goods is known as creditors. So in stock plus 7,000 and here in the liabilities you have to write 7,000. Instead of liabilities you can write straight away here creditors. No need to write liabilities, you can write here creditors so that easily you can remember. This is a printing mistake in the textbook. You can write here creditors. 7,000 in stock plus because goods comes in and 7,000 you have to pay to the creditors. So still it has been not paid, so plus 7,000 in creditors. Next one, payment made to Ramani in full settlement 6,900. So you had been paying the payment. You are giving payment to the Ramani. How much goods you purchased? 7,000 rupees of goods you had been purchased. But how much you are paying? 6,900. So 100 rupees less you are paying. So when you paid cash, 6,900 rupees is less. You have to pay 7,000, but you settled at 6,900. So 100 rupees is profit. So that 100 rupees you have to add in capital and 7,000 less in the creditors because we paid the 7,000 rupees totally. How? Because we got the 100 rupees discount, that is our profit. But we have to settle the account of rupees 7,000. So we settled 7,000 rupees. Instead of 7,000, we given 6,900 to Ramani. Understand? So 100 rupees profit is add in the capital and 7,000 less in the creditors. Now in cash column, 20,000 minus 6,900, 13,100. Next, there is no adjustment, so straight away write the total. Then 40,100, 40,000 plus 100, 40,100. Then 7,000 minus 7,000 is 0, so no need to write 0, leave it as a blank. Next, see here, fourth point, sold goods to Rajan on credit. Sold goods to Rajan on credit, costing rupees 5,400 for 6,000. You had been selling the goods. When you sell the goods, then for you, who is he? He is the debtors. He is the debtors. How much goods you had been given? 5,400. When you given 5,400 rupees of goods, so see the stock. In the stock, you write less 5,400 because goods has been gone out for 5,400. Then In debtors, you have to write 6,000 plus because we have to receive 6,000 rupees from the debtors. So 5,400 rupees of goods you sold at rupees 6,000. So profit 600, you have to add it in the capital. If it is a profit, you have to add in the capital. If it is a loss, you have to less from the capital. That is the accounting equation. Now, see the fifth one, very important, wages outstanding rupees 400. So wages outstanding. This is outstanding means still yet to be paid or not yet paid. 400 rupees less from the capital and plus wages outstanding rupees 400. If you see here, you have to write one more heading, liabilities, or you can, instead of liabilities, you can write wages outstanding in the credit column of the right side of your ledger account. Debit column, you are writing capital. Debit column, you are writing capital, and credit column, you have to write liabilities in your ledger sheet. The last, wages outstanding. This is very important adjustment where the students are doing mistakes. So wages outstanding minus 400 in capital and plus 400 in liabilities, or you can write in wages outstanding. Now see here, up to this there is no transaction. So straight away same amount, 18,900, 13,600, 8,000 as it is we written. Here we make the payment. So 6,000 minus 6,000 is 0. So no need to write 0. In capital, 40,500 minus 400, 40,100. And this is wages outstanding plus 400. So if you add the total 40,100 plus 400, 40,500 is the liability total. If you add all these three, you will get 40,500. So now you understand the sum? Very good.